Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, I am Ursula. I am the lover of all things beauty. That is your hair, your makeup, and your fashion. And welcome to the beginning of my birthday photo shoot vlog. Giddy up, giddy up. That's that ball drop. That's that. Because honey, your girl is turning 50 in a little bit over a month. March 17th. I wanted to have something for my birthday, but y'all, I just scratched that whole idea. Since I'm not celebrating this milestone, I decided to have a 50th birthday photo shoot. Well, I was gonna do that anyway, because I wanted pictures on display. If I would have had something, like I had it all in my head. I wanted my intro song to be Bad Mama Jamma. Yeah, I had everything all planned out of how I wanted it, the way I wanted it to look, but I'm not doing that. So I'm still having my birthday photo shoot. I just got a package from Fashion Nova today that's containing some of the pieces that I want to wear in my photo shoot. Now y'all, I'm all over the place with what I want to wear. Like, I want to wear so many different things, but baby, don't nobody have time for that. And I know Coco, which is my big baby, she's my photographer. I know she doesn't have time for that. She already let me know. Cause y'all, I have to admit, sometimes I can be just a smidget, like that much, hard to work with. I know there's nothing that's perfect, but I strive for perfection. I want things to look a certain way. I want it to be a certain way. I want it the way that I want it. That's just who I am. And those that personally know me, they know that. So anyway, I had started opening this package from Fashion Nova, and I said, no, I gotta start my vlog because I want to bring y'all through it all. I want y'all to see some of what I'm talking about, because I know y'all not gonna be able to see everything, but I want you to see some of what it takes and how I am when I'm planning something and when I'm trying to put things in motion. I want y'all to see it. My first thing is, I have several pieces that I still need to order. My tentative date is February 21st. I want to have my pictures already back to me so that I can make my post on my birthday. Okay, let me just show you this. I want to order something like this. I don't know if I want to put that headline, but I had some other headlines in mind. But y'all know I'm a press-on girly because I'm the lunch lady and I can't have nails. So Chloe is going to do me some nails. Now this is my inspo. This is the thing. I love the way this looks with the red, right? But I'm a St. Patrick's Day baby. St. Patrick's Day is Kelly green. I was thinking everywhere there's red, I can put green. But Chloe told me no, keep it red. I ordered some stuff from Amazon. I ordered my big 5 and my big 0. It's coming in green. I hope it's the same shade of green that was online, because if it's not, I'm not using it. If it's a darker green than Kelly green, I'm not using it. I'll just order gold, because black and gold anyway, I think is like 50, 60, 70 milestone colors. I don't know. I know it could be whatever you want, but I'm just saying. I want to order this green dress I saw on TikTok Shop. In my head, I know this is a lot of talking, but just stay with me. Just stay with me. This is the skirt that I ordered. I want the look of the poofy skirt. I want the black lace top. In my mind, I'm thinking I want to tie in the green with the heels that I ordered. I ordered them on Rainbow today. Do y'all know I tried to order them yesterday and they were saying they were sold out? And y'all, I don't know what made me, well, I do know it had to be the Holy Spirit. I'm coming home and I'm like, let me just check Rainbow's website just to see. Y'all, that shoe was back in stock. Let me show you. This is the shoe that I ordered. I also ordered these. Look, super cute on. I can put this with the black outfit, but I don't think that's just gonna look right. So I was thinking maybe I need to wear these with the green dress and wear the shoe that I just showed you from Rainbow with the black. I'll see once everything gets here. I ordered this, y'all, because this is what I wanted to wear if I was actually having something. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at The Boutique Baddie, on TikTok at The Boutique Baddie, and Facebook at The Boutique Baddie. And I'm also on LTK at The Boutique Baddie. I have that outfit, but that was if I was celebrating me. Bad Mama Jamma. Bad Mama Jamma. Man, I just knew, baby, it was going to be cute. But anyway, this is what I'm actually planning to wear to dinner. It's not green, but technically, since it's not on St. Patrick's Day, I'm just going to bring my green in, possibly with the same handbag that I wore last year for my birthday. But anyway, this is a black sleeveless jumpsuit. This is the top, and it's just the all-in-one flare leg jumpsuit. And I was going to wear these. I gotta see how this look on first. I gotta see if it's giving what I needed to give. I also had got this to wear depending on where I was going, who I was actually celebrating with, if it was gonna be with my family again or somebody else. But this is my green. Ooh, she's super cute, y'all. I hope she's just as cute on as she is off. I might wear this. I don't know yet. That's what I'm saying. I have all these different birthday looks in mind. And then these are the tops that I'm going with. This is the first lace top. Baby, I hope I could. Oh, she has stretch. This is the one that I really hope works out with the skirt. She is see-through, and I love the way the sleeves are. So I hope she works. But if she doesn't, I ordered just a solid mesh, which is still see-through. So either way it go, honey, you're gonna see my bra. Okay, see, this is just a simple mesh, and she's a bodysuit. You know what? I think I'm gonna do a try-on haul. I need you to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. All right, y'all. I got to go. I will see you all whatever the next update is. I'm signing off for now. I'll see y'all soon. Hey y'all, happy Monday. Today is the second day of February. But y'all, let me just tell y'all something. All day yesterday, I was thinking it was January 31st. So I grabbed my phone, looked, and saw Sunday, February 1st. I could not believe it. I could not believe that all day I had been thinking it was the 31st. But anyway, happy Monday, fresh home from work. The last time I talked to y'all, I told y'all I would update y'all when Amazon shipment comes, right? So the Amazon shipment came on Saturday. Actually, I got 2 packages Saturday, 1 yesterday. No, 2 yesterday and 1 today. But the one today is just tissue paper and it's in the mailbox, and I'm not gonna do all that. I'm just gonna show y'all what I got. All right. First up, this one contained several items. Okay, I think that's it. And if you haven't watched that collective haul, go check it out. So first up, y'all see, they actually are Kelly green. Online, the colors may look one way, but I was so nervous about getting them, and they were more of like a hunter green instead of a Kelly green, but they really are Kelly green. This is the 40-inch 5 and 0, because your girl about to be 50. 50. That is half of 100. Lord, thank you. This is another. Y'all look. It's the number. Let me just show y'all. It's a gift bag, because I had an idea of just walking with the gift bag with the green tissue paper. I don't know what I was thinking. I think I saw that somewhere. I don't really know. I'm a shopper. I'm a fashion girl. So I just felt like this was a part of me. And when I saw this, see, it's the number 50 and it says established 1976. When I saw this, I said, oh, I gotta get that. Oh, and it come with the ribbon. that I think I tied the handles together with, or I put it, child, I don't know. And that's why I have the Kelly green tissue paper to stuff inside of this. I have all these poses and this whole photo shoot, the looks, all this stuff in my head. I'm just praying that I can execute everything the way that I'm envisioning in my mind. And then the next thing that came is my skirt. Y'all, the look. Let me just show you, just in case you don't remember. This is the skirt. Now let me just show you the look. This one of them that I saw. Here's another. Now I'm not taking this out, y'all. This is the skirt. I did try her on, and she is so frilly. Oh my goodness, like she's really big, poofy, tulle. I'm like, oh my God. I just tried the skirt on. I haven't tried the whole look because I have shoes that are coming that I ordered. I have another dress that's coming. I'm actually going to film a birthday photo shoot outfits try on haul so that y'all can see and y'all can kind of help me on which looks to, I don't know. I just want to show y'all. I don't care nothing about, oh, we gonna see it before you actually wear it. I don't care. This is just a photo shoot. It's not like I'm having a party or a celebration of any sort. So it's not like I have to just keep it a secret. Y'all stay tuned. That'll do it for today's update. I will talk to you later. Hey girl, happy Wednesday. I'm back because my green dress came. I just tried it on, but if you want to see the full look and see how it fits, you have to go check out my birthday try on haul so you can see how it look, because I'm not standing up right now. Because girl, I just got off work. I don't have on no foundation, no nothing. Y'all already know my midsection is my problem area. That's a big flaw of mine. And honey, no. Not without my foundation on. But let me show you. I have seen so many of these Shape LX videos. And honey, I bought a new shaper. Now, I am a firm believer in wearing a shaper. I don't care how big you are. I don't care how small you are. I think everyone should wear a shaper, a body shaper. It does just that. It shapes your body. And I really do believe that all females should wear a body shaper underneath their clothing. I just cannot express enough how important it is. It makes you look so much better in your clothes. That's a video that I have coming real soon. I'm still trying to get everything together because I did one like 5-6 years ago, and I still wear a couple of those, but some of them have changed. But baby, it's whew, I don't know. It seemed like it had too much give. And honey, I think I ordered a medium large. Yes, girl, look. And look, it has the hole in the middle, so easy access to the restroom. I got it to wear up under this dress. So anyway, these are the only 2 pieces that came today. And this is actually, oh no, I have one more package for the birthday photo shoot, and that's my shoes that I ordered from Rainbow. So once I get those, I will show you those. And then honey, all we have to do now is baby have a beautiful day like today and go take some pictures. So stay tuned. I'm excited. Hey y'all, happy Monday. It is Monday, February 23rd. It's crazy how this month is almost gone. Saturday is the last day of February. But we're going into March, y'all. Like this year is already moving. But anywho, I know y'all can see I am rocking a new look. My photo shoot is this Saturday, the 28th. And Chloe and I did my hair. I did my retwist Saturday. Y'all, I forgot to pick up the camera to show you how the retwist looked. I got a little bit more hang time. I'm gonna just show you, just look at this video right here. The hair is growing. But anyway, the method is the viral Miracle Locks. I don't know if y'all have seen, not Miracle Locks, Miracle Knots. The Miracle Knots on TikTok. I have the miracle knots over my locks. Like you can see here, Chloe just crocheted the hair onto my lock. Now y'all, let me tell you something. I am so out of touch with hair. This hair is really getting on my nerves already. I'm not used to all this. I'm just trying to hang on as long as I can. But anyway, this is photo shoot week and I just had to check in today so y'all could see my new look. Now I told y'all I can't do, it ain't that I can't, I'm not doing my press-ons for the photo shoot. I'm just going to paint my own nails because I would have to take them off the very next day. And I just don't feel like doing all that. I don't have anything else going on today. And I will see you beautiful people. I'll see y'all Saturday. God's will. Okay?
That's that keep going. That's that never stop. Giddy up, giddy.